When you're a speaker, you're balancing a lot of aspects of your business. Of course, sometimes you're on stage speaking, but oftentimes you're traveling. Maybe you're writing an article or that next book, and you want to do some deep work. You don't want to have to be connected all the time to be responding to inquiries, to availability. So hire someone. I have someone who responds on my behalf when that person knows I'm going to be out of pocket. I think it's easy. Sometimes speakers will say, I can't afford to hire someone. They're thinking about a full-time employee with benefits. Hire a virtual assistant whose sole job it is to manage your calendar. They have access to your calendar. They know when you're on flights. They know when you're on stage, and just acknowledge in a respectful way that client's inquiry to say, hey, so excited. I know Jeff would love to do this event. He's on stage, but he'll get back to you after 2 o'clock today. Boom, done. Very quick, very easy. And now the client knows, okay, I'm in touch with this person and I'm going to get this info at a specific time. There are too many challenges you have to deal with, too many things going on in this business that are out of your control. Don't let something as simple as a lack of responding to an inquiry sabotage a potential deal for you.